Sat nav. Click nav. Now destination entry there. We want address or postcode. Postcode is best. And then we're Grosvenor Garage. Oops, I've pressed the wrong one. Brilliant. Don't delete that. We're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston, PR5. The Land Rover system is only 2 digits, but the Land Rover system will pick 2 digits up. Some you have to put a space in. PR54EA. That's it. Click OK. And then go.
Guidance will start when you join the highlighted route.
So that's it. It's a really simple system in the Land Rovers and Range Rovers. And the other great thing about this is if you get near to your house and you don't want to speak in any directions anymore, you click on Home menu and then there, cancel guidance, and that's it done. Here we go.